Alright, so in this video I'm just going to show you what it looks like when the signal of something is duty cycled. So this is the dome light in a Chevy Cavalier. So when you shut the doors, it duty cycles as it dims out. If you had like a modern day fuel pump that duty cycles to control fuel pressure, or daytime running lamp circuits, things like that, all of those signals would look something like this. Okay, so here we are with the door open. We're just sitting at a constant 12 volts. Now I'm going to shut the door and see what happens. Okay, so now we can see as the dome light started to dim out that the percentage of on time versus off time started to change, right? Right here, we were on 100% of the time, but then right here, we started to turn off a small percentage of time, right? So maybe 98% on, 2% off, and it gradually gets smaller and smaller on percentages as we go down. Okay, that's what duty cycle is it's a percentage of on time versus off time. Okay, right here we're probably at like a 50% duty cycle, a little bit less, until we're almost nothing, maybe like 5%, 2%, and then we're just completely off. Okay, if we wanted to take an actual measurement, we could do that of what the percentage was at any given spot. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on just a section of this. To do the measurement, we use the blue rulers. Blue rulers either measure in degrees or percent. Right now I've already changed mine to percent. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And you go from the rising edge of one wave to the rising edge of two waves over. And the reason you have to do that is because it measures in 200%, not 100%. So we have to do two waves. Down here is where I changed that from degrees to percent. Okay, and now once you've done that, you can pull out a white cursor, and the white cursor will take a measurement of what's the degrees from 0 over to wherever I stop. So if I go to the falling edge right here, I can see that it was on for 56.88%. All right, so you can do that with any type of duty cycled signal. And this is just a good way to find out if you have the signal you're expecting to see. There you go.